What's up, my fellow YouTubers? Today, you're here with Dark Kitty, and today, I am going to be making some slime. Okay, so let's go ahead to the video, and please make sure to subscribe and like. So, let's get on to our slime. Woo! Okay, guys. Sorry, guys. My tablet, it just flipped. Okay, sorry. Okay. Is that good? Can you guys see me? Of course you can. Okay, so as I was saying, let's get on to our slime. So, the ingredients you'll be needing is shampoo. I'll show you the shampoo later. And the other one is some deal. Deal with it. Deal with it, girl. Deal with it. So, this is what kind of deal I'm good with. Deal. You better deal with it. Okay, and then you'll need something to mix in and, do all that stuff. But let me go get all of that while you guys sit here and chill. Okay? Okay, guys, I'm back. Did you miss me? Okay, so now that I got all the ingredients, all of the stuff I need to have, here we go with the slime. So as you can see, my deal is right in your face. Okay? Wait. What is this doing here? Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh no. Please. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh gosh. Okay. So remember, we need deal. We need some soap. Or you can just use the soft soap. Okay, let's get that out of the way. And we need some shampoo. This is the type of shampoo I use. This is black vanilla shampoo. Let's get that out of the way. And then we'll need soft soap body wash. Let's get that out of the way. So, if you guys want me to make that slime, please subscribe. I need at least let's see, since I'm new to the YouTube channel, I need at least 5 subscribers. And then, once you guys get to 5 subscribers, I will make that slime. You guys thought I was really gonna make the slime? You gotta be kidding me. I am actually not gonna make that slime right now until I get my 5 subscribers, okay? I already have 2 subscribers. And that's sad that I have 2 subscribers. Come on, I'm new. You're just gonna treat me like that? Okay, anyways. Thank you for watching. And please give this a thumbs up and a subscribe. And school is almost coming back, and I will make sure I share a back to school supplies video with you guys. Bye! Dark Kitty out!